So good morning. Welcome back again to the revision of NMC. Chapter revision is over. Okay, division A. Take a 10 chapter number 2, geometry transformation. So last lecture we have completed the basic information about CAD CAE. So I will share that screen directly. Okay, within 10 minutes we will start the chapter number 2. कार्यकर्ते अजून जॉईन होतात ते. हा screen is visible. So last lecture we have finished the hardware. Okay, so due to some so input devices, types of input devices we already studied. There are input devices is nothing but the directly whenever we require the data transfer from the human being to the computer or any machine, man to machine. Now that all the data is required for that is nothing but the input devices. Okay, now transformation of the data one form of whatever the form may be there. Now only the input device is nothing but the stage. Okay, from the man to machine. Whatever the component, whatever the machinery or whatever the requirement is nothing but the input devices. In that the input devices particular for the CAD CAM or particular for the softwares. So different input devices for the whatever data transfer, joystick, mouse. We already know about the joystick. Mouse. Okay, so what is joystick? Joystick is required for the whenever if you best example of joystick is in pneumatic control. Okay, now this is also one of the input device or control device. Okay, if you having aware about the different games. Okay, so that time the joystick is also used. Trace ball. Okay, trace ball, light pen, digitizer. Okay, now due to the such online teaching method. Okay, all these we studied very well. Okay, now these are the input devices, keyboards, input devices, the light pen. Okay, now our mobiles are also screen touch mobiles. Now our finger is act as the light pen. Okay. Now in light pen, some laser light is using. Now due to that laser light transformation, they can operate whatever the entire structure. Okay. And this is also one of the scanner is also input device. This type of question, input and output device. Okay. Number of MCQs will be asked on such chapter or such point. Okay, in examination or in competitive examination also. If you suddenly you can't remember or whatever the म्हणजे एकदम तुमच्या अचानक लक्षात येत नाही बघा स्कॅनर म्हणजे लगेच लोक म्हणतात आउटपुट डिव्हाइस प्रिंटर ओके म्हणजे लक्षात येत नाही त्यामुळे थोडं लक्ष जरा जागेवर ठेवून हे थोडं बघा म्हणजे एमसीक्यू तुमचे चुकणार नाहीत ओके नाही तर सोपा एमसीक्यू म्हणून ते तुम्ही चुकीच लिहिता ओके सो दीज आर द सम input devices. Output devices, which are the output devices? Printers. Okay, number of printers are using dot printers, laser printers. Okay, electromagnetic printers are there. Okay, now this is also nothing but the output devices. Printer plotter. If you check the whatever the printing machines are there. Lagna patrika. Okay, election banner. Okay, college banner, cutout, वाढदिवसाचे banner. This is also one of the type of printer plotter. Okay, one 3D printer or printer plotter is available in our college also. Okay, in CAD/CAM lab number 2. Okay, now this is also output device. Now what is the function of graphics software? Transportation, transformation, display control and windowing function, segmenting functions and user input function. Okay, these are the basic functions of the graphic software. Now transformations. Transformation is nothing but to access the data, to take the data and to display as requirement of the customer or as requirement of that particular target. Okay, display control and windowing function. Okay, display is very important. Whatever the data, whatever the format of data to display, now that data should be understood by the front people. Okay, this is also very important factor in CAD/CAM CAE. Okay. So we will not take a lot of time because we have taken very huge time for that chapter. Okay, so we will go fast. Waiting la पडली बोल बोल हा एक मिनिट आहे एवढे ऐकून घे झाले एवढेच आहेत का ओके काय एक मिनिट मी चेक करतो व्हॉट्सअप मेसेज आले तुम्ही अलाव करा ठीक आहे तुम्ही आला लेट हे अलाव करायला जे तासभर जायचं आता अवघड आहे 2 डिव्हिजन म्हणलं ना ओके So we have taken lot of information about chapter number 1. Okay, so we can directly start the chapter number 2. Because only फक्त काय input output devices झाले chapter संपला आपला पहिला. Okay, so I have provided all the notes also of chapter number 1.